Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. Today's top tier recipe is oven bag jerk turkey wings. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes at home. Y'all know I don't like wasting y'all time, so let's get cooking. Make sure if you enjoy this video that you like and subscribe. Now, a major Glam Kitchen key is that all ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. If you missed something, know that you could go there for the full recipe. I know that everybody is not a member of the I Wash My Meat ministry, so if you don't want to wash your meat, that's fine. As you can see here, I have my lime. This is before I actually added my water and my vinegar to wash my turkey wings. For this recipe, you will need my Glam Kitchen all-purpose adobo seasoning. I use it on everything and I love it. It's truly top tier, so make sure you pick up a bottle. A link to purchase my seasoning is also in the description box. First, we're gonna go in with our all-purpose seasoning. Then some ground black pepper, either way you wanna say it. Garlic powder, y'all know I put garlic powder on dang near everything. A little ginger, not too much, I use a half a teaspoon. Some allspice, ground allspice. Mild jerk seasoning, I use the Walkerwood brand. You also want to use some browning. I use the Grace brand all the time. Don't use too much browning though. I use actually about a half a tablespoon. I've added my jerk seasoning. I've added my browning. Now I'm going in and I'm mixing all of my seasonings up. Take time to work the seasonings in. You want to make sure that all of the turkey wing pieces are evenly coated with all of your seasonings. All right, our turkey wings are perfectly seasoned. We are going to set these aside so that we can get the other things ready. This is a good time to now preheat your oven to 300 degrees. For this recipe, I used a Reynolds oven bag, the turkey size. In a large, deep oven-safe dish, lay that oven bag flat. What we're gonna do next is actually put our seasoned turkey wings inside of that oven bag. Our turkey wings are now in our bag. Now you want to add about 4 sprigs of thyme. Then add about 2 sprigs of scallion or green onion, whatever you like to call it. Add 1 cup of sliced carrots. Then add 1 medium green bell pepper that is already chopped, and 1 yellow bell pepper that has also already been chopped. Now we're gonna pour in 1 cup of low sodium chicken broth. Go ahead and seal that bag, close it up, and we're gonna bake this for about 3 hours. We cooking this low and slow, y'all. After about 2.5 to 3 hours, your turkey wings will be ready, and child, look at this. This is a perfect holiday recipe, especially Thanksgiving or Christmas. But honestly, y'all, I eat turkey wings year round. So my jerk turkey wings, child, I make this probably like every couple months. I serve this with my chicken dressing recipe, my mac and cheese recipe, and some cabbage. And this plate is just giving. It's giving. If you try this recipe, please let me know how it came out for you in the comments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Well, that is a wrap on another top tier recipe. If you watched this video to this point, you are a real one and I thank you. Until next time, bye-bye.